Let's discuss a concept called payback period, or basically how many years it will take to recoup your initial investment in cash. For instance, let's say this little gentleman here decided he was going to buy a car for $10,000 to deliver some pizzas. So basically, the calculation is simple. It's just basically the cost of your equipment or your project, whatever, divided by the cash flows. So let's say that each year he determines that he's going to make about $2,500. You can see that's simple. It's going to take 4 years for him to recoup his initial cost of his car. But what if those numbers are different? For instance, what if we see that, yes, it's a $10,000 investment, but he's only going to get $5,000 the first year, and the second year $4,000, and the third year he determines $3,000, and then the fourth year he determines it's going to be $1,000. How many years now will it take? Well, if you just look at it intuitively, you can see that the first year he still owes, not really owe, but he's made $5,000 for his original one. Then the next year he's got $4 more thousand, so now he's only down $1,000. So you can see he's only down $1,000 right here. Then finally he's going to break even during this period right here. So that's year 0, this is year 1, year 2. So somewhere in year 3 he's going to break even. So year 3 point what? Well, you can see that he only needs 1,000 if he makes 3,000. So if I divide the 1,000 divided by the 3,000, and I get about 3.33 repeating itself. So it takes him about 3 1/3 years in this case. Now here's another way of looking at it on Excel. Same problem, and here's the formula: payback number of years prior to full recovery. That was the third year. And then during the recovery year, that third year, you take your unrecovered cost, which was your $1,000 here, and the cash flow during that year, which was the $3,000 here, and you get your, and I've already calculated here for you, the 1,000 divided by 3,000 gave me the 33, and I added the 3 years back, and there's the formula, and that's the same answer. So I hope this helps a little bit with your understanding of the concept called payback period.